So we just clicked on the Start Application button, and we're currently right now in the company profile. And before we go through these subcategories here that go from contact all the way to W-9 information, I want to bring your attention to the left-hand column. Now, these are all your main categories. Currently, we're in the company profile. We're going to have to go through and fill these out so that the red dot to the left of each one of these categories turns green. Now, the dashboard is going to remain red. Eventually, when we get to the service area, it will turn yellow. And once we accept the agreement, the dashboard will activate and it will turn green. And as a rule of thumb, any field that you see that's in red needs to be completed. It is a required field. So the first field that we see right here is time zone. Let's actually begin right there. So I'm going to click on time zone, and I'm going to pick our time zone here, which is Eastern time. And once it's completed, it should fill. And we're going to come over here now to edit the dispatch contact information. When we click on it, you'll notice here that all the information here needs to be filled out. We can go ahead and put in the information. And from here, when you get to address, if you click the drop down, if the address for the dispatch information is the same as the owner address and or the billing address, you can simply select it from here and it will auto-populate for you. If it's not, you would have to kind of go in and fill it out manually. In this case, we're just going to say that it is the same as the owner address, and we're going to click Save and Close. Okay, and you'll notice right here that it has turned green. We're going to do the same for edit billing contact information. We're going to click on it. And again, we're just going to put in some information. And in this case, we're also going to select the same as the owner address. Again, you can go in and manually put in an address if the billing contact information is different than the owner contact information or the dispatch contact information. And we're going to click Save and Close. Okay, and so now all of them are green, meaning that this section has been completed. I want to bring your attention to one very important key right here. You'll see the a button with the word previous and next. You want to click on the next button in order to save any changes that you've made in each one of these subsections. So in order to move on to the next subsection, which is vehicles in this case, we're going to click next, and I'll see you in the next video.